Welcome to the TxPROS tutorial, using the Hubometer Estimator and Hubometer Closeout Renewal features in TxPROS. This video was produced by the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles, Motor Carrier Division for users of the Texas Permitting and Routing Optimization System, also known as TxPROS. TxPROS includes two helpful features for managing quarterly Hubometer permits. Customers can close out, renew, or update certain details, such as the license plate or Hubometer serial number, on existing permits directly within the system. Click the Hubometer button in the administrative panel to display all current Hubometer permits. Locate the correct permit, then select the option that best matches your intended action. To change only the license plate or state without renewing or closing out the permit, click the Change Plate link. After making your updates, click Update. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Once the changes are confirmed, be sure to print an updated copy of the permit. To do this, click the View link to open the permit details, then go to the Docs and PDFs tab and open the most recent version. Use the Print option to print the document. If you need to renew or close out an existing Hubometer permit, click the Closeout Reissue link. Basic permit details will be displayed. Enter the ending Hubometer mileage and click Submit. This will reveal additional fields on the page. At this point, you may also update the license plate or state if needed. You can choose to send the updated permit to a fax number or email address by entering up to 2 delivery methods in the Delivery Address 1 and Delivery Address 2 fields. Next, select what you would like to do, either reissue the permit for another 90 days, or close out the permit, which will make it invalid immediately after payment. Note that if you choose to renew, the new permit's effective start date will always be the date the renewal is submitted. Once your selection is made, click Pay Now, then click OK to confirm and continue. If the Hubometer unit has been replaced, you can update the serial number. To do this, enter the new Hubometer serial number at the top of the screen and click Submit. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK. Another message will follow, prompting you to enter the end reading for the old Hubometer, as well as the start and end readings for the new one. Click OK again. Notice that additional fields have now opened. Verify the end reading for the old Hubometer and enter the start and end readings for the new Hubometer, then click Submit. This will display the updated permit details, and you can proceed using the same steps described earlier to complete the request. The next feature is the Hubometer Estimator, which can be accessed by clicking the Hubometer Estimator button in the administrative panel. This tool helps you calculate the cost to either close out or renew an existing Hubometer permit based on mileage and applicable fees. To begin, select whether you want the estimate to be for a renewal or a closeout. Then, enter the permit number you would like to estimate. Click Retrieve to pull in the permit details. Next, enter the Hubometer end reading. In this example, we will enter 500, indicating the unit has traveled 500 miles since the permit was issued or last renewed. Click Estimate to view the results. The estimated fees will appear below, both with and without credit card processing fees, so you can see the full cost for the selected action. You can also estimate multiple permits by entering additional permit numbers and repeating the same steps. When finished, click the Print button to generate a ledger that lists each individual estimate along with the overall total. This concludes the tutorial on using the Hubometer Estimator and Hubometer Closeout and Renewal features in TxPROS. For more information and additional tutorial videos, visit the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles website at www.TxDMV.gov and enter the keyword TxPROS in the search bar.